Hello everybody, welcome back to another video. This is VideoMediaTV. Today I'm going to be showing you how to stream like ninja in OBS. So, let's actually get straight to it. And right off the bat, I'm going to show you a zip file that I have made, which is right here. There should be a link in the description where you can download this. All you gotta do is extract it by right clicking and extract Ninja Streaming Essentials. So I'll let it load. And okay, load it on my other desktop, I think. Yeah. Okay, there we go. Let's put it here. So that's all you gotta do. Now, yeah, of course, you click on it and stuff. So here you go. You have your apps, fonts, graphics, and Streamlabs. So let's go to fonts first, actually, and basically install all these fonts by going here and install, and same for Open Sans Bald. There you go. So simple as that. Now, so if you guys have Photoshop, go on graphics. It's same if you don't have. If you have Photoshop, go on Photoshop only, stream Ninja. If you don't have Photoshop, don't worry, guys. I will show you how to do this in a minute. So all I gotta do is just go in here, press on yes. There you go. Let it load. Okay, guys. So after it loaded, this should come up right here. So again, if you are using Photoshop, this will come up. All you gotta do is change your name right here. You just highlight it and change it to your name. For my example, I'm going to change it to VideoMediaTV, just like that. And I'm actually going to position this a little bit low. There you go. There you go. That's all you gotta do if you have Photoshop. If you don't worry. Of course, just delete that. And file, save. Oopsie. Oh, you know, all I gotta do is just save it and you're set. So I'm gonna close that. Now if you do not have Photoshop, basically again, just make a new one here. Simple, just press the plus button, go on image, whatever, browse, go to the zip file that you have downloaded. VideoMediaTV, where is it? There you go. Graphics, and click on the Stream Ninja overlay by Ice King Kid. There you go. Now this should pop up. Now press on the plus button, go on text GDI. Now for the text, basically put your channel in here. Same, our channel is VideoMediaTV. Now select a font and make this Ninja Turtles. There it is. And regular, and there you go. Now you can shrink it to the size you want it. There you go. And that's it. You are set. So now that's the easy part done. Now on to the next part, which is also quite easy, which is doing the webcam. So all I gotta do is just press the plus icon, video capture device, and press OK, and basically add your webcam. It's quite simple. I'm going to use my other webcam because I already have one done. There you go. Hello. Just put that there. Something like that. Boom. Now as you can see, it's overlaid on top, so oops. We can fix that quite easily. Just get your webcam and place it below, and boom, you're set. Your overlay is around you everywhere, and below you is VideoMediaTV or your channel name. Quite easy. Now all you gotta do is, if you're gonna play a game, you go on the plus section, game capture, okay, and basically go on capture specific window and choose your game there. If that doesn't work, you can do the plus sign again, window capture, and just use that. For example, I have my file explorer here, showing you a tutorial, for example. It's quite easy, guys. So now Ninja has these things here, which are called stream labels. Now, all I gotta do is go back to my file here, zip file. Go here, go on apps, and install stream labels plus setup. It shouldn't really take a long time. As you can see, it's loading quite easily right now. All I gotta do is just keep pressing next. Should come up soon. There you go. Just log in with your Twitch or YouTube, or if you're gonna use this for Mixer, you can log in with Mixer. I'm not going to because I already downloaded it. And yeah, that's all you gotta do. Now make sure you have a specific file for it, cause you need this for this step. So let's actually do this. So you go on the plus sign. So Ninja has the top one as top donation. So we go on here, go on the plus section, text GDI. You can name it whatever you want. Now make sure to set read from file right there. Text file, go on browse. And now go to your file which you made. There it is for me. All I gotta do is just find the file. Top donator. Total, there is total. No, it's not here. Top donate. All time. There you go. All top donator. Add it right there. Select font. And I'm gonna use the same one that I have. Open Sans bold. There you go. And you can put it right there. Now Ninja has his own color, so that's what we're gonna do. We're gonna go on select color, and we pick screen color as well, cause yeah, and we do that yellow. There we go. That's the yellow we're looking for. And there you go, guys. First one's been done. Now basically do the same thing for the rest. Ninja has this one as the recent bidder, so that's what we're gonna do. GDI, text GDI, recent bidder, read from file, and most recent. Oh, there they are. Most recent cheerer. There it is. Select font. Open Sans bold. Try to keep the same font, guys. So now on to the hardest part of this video. Now we are gonna use Streamlabs, as you can see right here. So I made it simple for you guys, as it was gonna be hard, and I thought I should do this. So make sure to go on streamlabs.com, sign in, and go to widgets right here, alert box, and there you go. So I'm gonna just tell you how to make for one of them. You can basically copy the same thing for the follow, donations, and so on. But I'm just gonna do the subscriptions one. So now all you gotta do is basically change the message template. First of all, gonna copy this right there. Go here, go on the plus button and the browser. You can copy that. You can shrink it how much you want, or do whatever you want, like so. There you go. Ninja has it below his camera, so that's what I'm gonna do, like that. And this is basically what we are going to do. Climb MG subbed. Simple. So this is why it's simple, guys, because I actually went into the code and tried to replicate Ninja's. I guess I tried as I could. So the logo, you can change it. Because we're doing a Ninja kind of video, I just copied the same one as he did. I don't recommend you to use Ninjas though, because you might get copyrighted actually, sorry. So this is where it goes. So if you don't do these settings, this is how it would look without my settings. Okay, that did not look good. Reset code. Save setting. Alert box updated. Says subscription. There you go. So as you can see, this is not italic, and there's a message down there. Now Ninja does not have that, so that's what we're gonna be changing. It's really simple, guys. So all you gotta do is go to the file we did right here, Ninja Streaming Essentials. Go to Streamlabs, and there are two files here. So let's do the HTML first. So all I gotta do is just copy this. Oops, just copy and go to the the HTML here and paste it right there. Simple. Now this by itself will remove the, where is it? There you go. It will remove the below part of, you know, the title. Now all we gotta do is really quite simple. Make it italics as his. So we'll just go to CSS. Close this. Go to the file, CSS. Copy and paste it right there. Save settings. Make sure to do that. And let's test it out. And boom, italics, and there you go. It's really quite simple, guys. As you saw, we have done it. We have completed the video. Also, guys, this video was voted by you guys on Twitter. I have made a poll. You know, make sure to follow me on Twitter if you haven't done so. I do these polls regularly. You know, when I have time. Also, guys, I haven't been uploading a lot recently, but you know, I try to. That's it, because I'm gonna waste your time here. That's really it, guys. Again, if you guys want to add the game capture, all I gotta do is just game capture, and so on. Yeah, thank you guys for watching this video. Like it if you did, comment, and see you guys later.